Much, Chris. Protesters gathered at the Jackson County Courthouse this morning. They're calling for a change to Missouri law to exempt breastfeeding mothers from jury duty to make it easier for them to perform what they say is another civic duty, taking care of their children. Here's KCTV5's Alice Barr.
When diapers and laws stink, change them.
It's been an ongoing push in the Missouri legislature, mostly led by this man, Senator Rob Schaaf of St. Joseph.
This year, we're going to give it the major push, and I'll bet you we get something done.
Because this time they have a real mother ready to testify about how the law affected her in a real way.
This whole situation has been extremely stressful on our family.
Laura Trickle spent the morning in a Jackson County courtroom trying to prove she shouldn't be held in contempt of court for skipping jury duty.
I answered my summons. I let them know ahead of time, and I came, so it's not like I just didn't show up.
But she came with her baby, explaining she couldn't leave him behind while she's breastfeeding and didn't have childcare to stay with him at the court while she served. Judge Marco Roldan said today he understands breastfeeding is important, but that's not the issue. He says he can't make exceptions for one person when the law does not exempt them.
Is breastfeeding a right? Yes!
Which brings us back here with Senator Schaaf, who's also a family physician.
Breastfed babies are much healthier, and if we can get more women to breastfeed, it'll save the state millions of dollars.
That's in reduced health care costs. Changing the law would also save Laura a $500 fine. Judge Roldan decided today to wait until the end of the next legislative session to settle her case. If Missouri lawmakers vote to exempt breastfeeding mothers from jury duty, Laura's off the hook. If not, she'll be in contempt.
Contact your representatives and let's see the law changed.
And we should note there's another mom who's going through the same thing in Jackson County right now. She's actually already been fined, but today the same judge decided to rescind that. He's going to bring her and Laura back for another court date June 6th of next year to wrap this up. Reporting from the Jackson County Courthouse, Alice Barr, KCTV 5 News.